We're building an outdoor kitchen and barbecue area in our DIY backyard renovation, and this is part 4 of the series where we're building my dream Nancy Meyers inspired outdoor space. We actually started a lot of the prep work for this project last year. We had to remove an old garden bed and level out this entire area of the yard in order to prep for a new concrete slab. I was actually almost 3 months pregnant when we did all this, and I still can't believe I had that amount of energy for this project. We ended up hiring a professional to pour the concrete, which was such a good idea because this is something you don't want to mess up. Now we're on to building the outdoor barbecue kitchen area. This is a 3D mock-up that I made and my vision. Here are some inspo pics. Loving the white brick with the concrete countertop. So let's get to work. We're starting off by building the framing for the bar seated area of the outdoor kitchen, and I ended up making a few modifications to my initial design, and Ryan's dad was nice enough to come over and help make those changes. We ended up shortening the length to give room for some privacy hedges along the fence, and also added some shelves for some extra storage. The next part of the project is going to be building the part where the grill is, and everything has to be built with non-combustible materials, so we're going to be working with metal. So be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more DIYs and home renovation.